Yo, what's up everybody? This is your boy JJ Hart, aka Honda G. I just ordered this emblem for the grill, like for the car, for my Honda Accord, you know what I'm saying? So I'm about to show it right now. So as you can see, this is like the original one that I bought and all that. I'm trying to take this out. So yeah, I finally got it out now. And this is good, this is clear. And this came with a 3M tape in the back. So like once I put it on, I can just put this in a stick on. Then it had these two and all that. And also what I'm seeing that is a scratch. I don't know. I'm trying to get the focus. You can't see it. It's right here. It's like a long scratch. But it's okay though, because what I'm about to do to this joint is I'm about to paint that joint. You know what I'm saying? And it'll cover this hopefully, you know. So I'm about to paint it, you know, to like two-tone paint, which is like red right here and then black all the way around over here, you know what I'm saying? So y'all gonna see the difference in a second, you know. So as you can see, this is my old emblem right here and stuff like that for my car. And I love this emblem, don't get me wrong, but the reason why I'm changing this is because for one, I didn't like this area right here, to be honest. And for two, it's wearing out a little bit. Like, I don't know if you'll notice it, but you see the difference. Like up here and stuff, it started wearing out fast. And this is a cheap shit that I bought. So I decided to take this out. And also, if you leave this on too long, like for a long time, the plastic, the cover for the plastic will start turning yellow. You know what I'm saying? At some point in time. So I'm going to change this out. You know what I'm saying? So let's get it. So, order for me to paint the two-tone paint. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to have to cover this, like this area, with this tape. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't want to paint all over or nothing like that. So I'm just going to do two-tone. Like, I got to make sure I cover it right, you know, at the top, make sure it's lined up right. I might have to use a razor to, you know, line it, because I'm not too worried about it anyways, you know what I'm saying? And I want to make sure that it's clean. But before I even do all this, I might have to get like a rubbing alcohol and like a paper towel to clean this off, you know what I'm saying? So as you can see right here, I taped it up back and front just in case, you know, I don't want to mess up the 3M tape, so I had to protect it. So I'm about to hit this red spot right here in the middle, in the H, the big ass H. Let's get it. So yo, I got my two paints right here, you know what I'm saying? This is red and this is black, you know what I'm saying? I'm using like satin black anyways, satin black right here, and also red over here. This is like apple red, it's like kind of shiny, but it's cool though, you know what I'm saying? And this is like paint and primer, you know, both of them are paint and primer, so I don't have to worry about, you know, using the primer first and then paint. So good thing I bought this off Home Depot, and this is for like metal, wood, plastic, and much more stuff. So this is really good, and this is for like $4 or $5 paint, so you saving bread on it. But this is really good paint. The Rust and them, they're a really good company anyway. So what I did over right here is that I cleaned it up again, you know what I'm saying? I used like the rubbing alcohol, paper towel, wipe it down, make sure it's clean, make sure there's nothing on there, you know, so that way the paint can stick, you feel me? So alright, so this right here is gonna go in the middle, so this is gonna be my first coat. So as you can see, I did my first light coat, you know what I'm saying? Now I'm waiting 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna do a second light coat. You know what I'm saying? As you can see, I didn't get to do the sides much, but I did the front mostly. So I'm definitely gonna do the second coat. Let's get it. Alright, this is the second coat. Alright, this is the second coat. I did it kinda heavy, but it's light either way, you know what I'm saying? So another 15 minutes, then I gotta do a third coat, you heard? Third coat. This coming out real good. Real good. real good. I might do one more coat and then that's it for the day. You know what I'm saying? All right, y'all, this is my last coat. Let's go. So as you can see, I did it. This is a little dark, man, but yeah, I did it. You know what I'm saying? So I might end up applying the clear coat in 30 minutes from now, so that way the paint could be protected and it come out really good. You know what I'm saying? So let's get it, man. So right now I have this clear coat, you know what I'm saying, Kylon and all that. I bought it from a regular paint store. What I'm gonna do is put it on. I put on like 4 or 5 coats, but I might not record the 4 or 5. I'm gonna just record like probably 1 or 2 coat, whatnot, so you can just get the idea and stuff like that. So yo, let's get it, y'all. So as you can see, you may not see any difference yet because I just sprayed it on, but once I do like 3 more coats or whatnot, then I'm straight. You know what I'm saying? So it's gonna be shiny and all that, but the reason why I put the clear coat on is because I want to protect the paint as well, which is a great idea. So I just want my emerald to look good, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is dry. This is the next day and all that. What I'm gonna do now, this is good. Make sure no chips or nothing comes off or anything. So what's next now is that I'm about to end up painting this part, just this area. That's the last part I'm gonna do. You know what I'm saying? But before I do that, this gotta get covered so that way I won't, you know, mix the paint with red. You know what I'm saying? So as you can see, I took it off. It came out pretty good, but some corners is like, you know, a little out or whatnot, as you could tell. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Trying to get it to focus. Yeah, if you can see it, some of them are out. So maybe later on after I do this, and I'll get like a little paintbrush to see if I'm able to paint this corner all over again, you know, the best way I could, and this too, the top. So I'm gonna do what I can, but I'm about to cover this real quick with this tape, so let's get it. So now as you can see over here, I taped it to H so that way the paint won't get on it. I'm about to paint this in black and all that, and even clear coat to protect the paint, you know what I'm saying? So one more thing, I'm about to do like, I think 4 coats on this, or maybe 5 coats, to make sure the paint stays on, you know what I mean? So let's get it. Let's get it, y'all. First coat. You heard? As you can see right here, this is my first coat. This is a light coat that I did, you know what I'm saying? So gotta wait 15 minutes and then I'm gonna do like another light coat to make sure it comes in smooth, you know what I'm saying? So let's go. Alright, y'all, this is my second coat.
In a dim basement atmosphere, but you're the only one around to push back my hair when I take too many pills. Your voice sounds the same.
I know it's a little dark, but as you can see, it's there. You know what I'm saying? This is the second light coat I did. I kind of did it a little bit heavy, but it's gonna come out good. You know what I'm saying? So it's time for me to do my third coat in 15 minutes. You heard? Now I'm about to do the third coat.
Me, baby, when you're trying to get it right. Brown sugar skin rotting from within.
So as you can see, I know this might be blurry or whatnot, but yeah, I'm about to do like 1 more coat on this, or maybe 2 more, but I'm trying to make sure the paint sticks, you know what I'm saying? I also already cleaned this before I started playing this, so I'm good, you know what I'm saying? So now I did it. I did like 4 coats on this and stuff like that, and it's like shiny now, you know, not too crazy, but it is shiny though, you know what I'm saying? So I'm about to like get ready to put this back in my car as soon as it's dry. I gotta wait 24 hours, so your boy's out. Peace. So this is like the third day and stuff. I finished this and all, and I'm glad I didn't get the tape. Some parts was ripping off, but the sticky part is not really out, so that's good. But yeah, so this is done pretty much. All I have to do is put it on my grill of the car, but I have to take my old one out. My old emblem that I had, that red and silver Honda joint, the JDM, I'm taking that one out. And I have to take the tape out, and I'm going to show you how this looks like now. Yeah, so as you can see, this is it right here. The only problem with this is that the bottom part, so like the bottom part and the top part, is peeled off because I took the tape off. You know what I'm saying? And I don't want to have to respray it because that is a lot of work. So what I was thinking in my head is that I might just get like a regular paint, like similar to the color or whatever, or the same color, obviously, and just try to do touch-ups on it so that way it will come out right. You know what I'm saying? Before I put this on. So I might have to wait another day, and that's fine with me because I have patience and I like to do things professionally. You know what I'm saying? So let's get it. So as you can see, I ended up buying like another paint, but a regular paint because I want to do touch-ups on this. And this is black. So I don't think it's glossy black, but what I would do is redo the clear coat all over. But I'm about to do touch-ups on this area over here. If you can see, I don't know if y'all can see it, but as you still see like the silver parts, the chrome parts, I'm gonna have to do touch-up on this and the bottom part, and then red. I'm gonna try to do red, but I'm gonna try to do red first to see how it works, and then I'm gonna try to like after that I'm gonna do the black one. But the red I'm gonna try to spray paint it, but I might have to put it in a container, get a paintbrush, dip it, and then just wipe it and see if it works out that way. You know what I'm saying? So I might just give it a shot. So yeah, what I did so far in this is that, as you can see, I'm gonna pick it up. As you can see, is I did it. I covered it the best way I could with the paintbrush. I did okay. It's paint all over this over here, this over here. I'm gonna fix that like the next day because I want to wait till this dry in about 24 hours. You know what I'm saying? Then I'm gonna try to not spray paint it, but I'm gonna try to get a smaller paintbrush because the paintbrush that I had, it was a little bit big. But good thing I was able to take like a couple hairs and just use that area instead of using the whole brush. You know what I'm saying? I did the top too. There's paint all over it, I know, but I'm about to fix it by tomorrow. And then after the next day, it should be fully dry. And I'm gonna try to, I might end up putting up clear coat in these areas so that way it'll come out clean and all that. Cause I like to do my job professionally, like I said. I'm not sloppy. This is a little sloppy right now, but I'm gonna fix all this by the next day. So, peace. Yeah, man. I just bought this, ordered this off Amazon. It came in the next day, which I'm happy about. So now I can use one of these paint to paint this, the top part, to make it look better, because I like to look professional and look good, right? So I'm about to use probably one of these three or one of these, you know what I'm saying? So, and also I have this paint, an extra paint, which is black paint, like a paint that I'm gonna use to touch up, because I was gonna do the same thing and use the spray paint over here, but nah, I'm gonna use this time. This might come out better, you never know. But so as you can see, I'm pretty much done. This is shiny and all that. This is dry, but not fully dry yet. But good thing I did the bottom part good and the top part. I had to fix it with a touch up. I used the paintbrush to do the touch up and all that, the bottom and the top, make sure it comes out good and professionally the best way I could. It's not sloppy, nothing like that. It's just like lines that you could tell because I used a paintbrush to, and then it has some spots too, some black spots because I kind of mixed the paint by mistake, but I fixed it eventually, you know what I'm saying? So this gonna be installed into my car by 24 hours because I gotta let this dry in 24 hours and then I'm just gonna put it on professionally, you know what I'm saying? So, and it's gonna be like in the next day or two, so let's get it. So there you go. This right here I might have to remove. So what I'm using is this right here, this piece to like pull it off You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm trying to, do. Because I know it's stuck on there with the 3M tape, but I have no other choice but to kind of yank it off. And I don't want to break anything, but this got to come off. You heard? As you can see, it's coming off now. All I did is this. The tape is coming off. As you can see right here. There it goes. Ooh. Ooh, this shit fell off. Shit. Should I sell this or nah? Yep, so I took it off. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't hard. And now I gotta clean this off right here. This old glue or whatever that's stuck over there. I'ma just clean it up. You heard? So now as you can see, I took this old tape off of this. And I was just explaining that, I gotta clean this up. You know what I mean? So this is what it looks like without the thing now. So alright, so I'm back. Now I'm about to put this on. I'm gonna put this right here on this. And I got the 3M tape in the back that I have to take off first to put this on. So let's get it. Alright, so I finally installed it. I took the tape off, put it on, left it on for 30 seconds. This right here is lit, my nigga. Like, look at this. This is lit. This is better than my last emblem that I had. I love my other emblem, but I prefer this. Something custom made that nobody had. Like, I seen some people, like literally I seen some people that had like white and orange stuff and black all the way around because they bought it. But me, I bought it in a chrome like I showed y'all in the clips of the video, and I decided to paint this to come up with my own ideas. So honestly, son, I honestly want to thank y'all for watching my video. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. I got more videos coming soon. And your boy, Mr. 534 is out. Peace.